practice my français? Oui, s'il te plaît.
Are you ready to test your French? You'll see a picture, and you'll have to guess the correct word in French. 15 words, 10 seconds each. Are you ready? How do we say potato in French?
La pomme de terre.
How do we say honey in French?
Le miel.
How do we say notebook in French?
Le cahier.
How do we say fork in French?
La fourchette.
How do we say keyboard in French?
Le clavier.
How do we say rabbit in French?
Le lapin.
How do we say strawberry in French?
La fraise.
How do we say fridge in French?
Le frigo.
How do we say butterfly in French?
Le papillon.
How do we say curtain in French?
Le rideau.
How do we say washing machine in French?
La machine à laver.
How do we say garden in French?
Le jardin.
How do we say lake in French?
Le lac.
How do we say ball in French?
La balle.
How do we say shirt in French?
La chemise.
So, how'd you do? Share your score in the comment, and give this video a like.
Et bravo! Vas-y, mange un croissant! À bientôt!